Boeing has begun furloughing thousands of employees in Washington State and Oregon following a strike by over 32,000 workers, halting production of its 737 MAX and other jets. The strike, led by the International Association of Machinists and Aerospace workers, is in response to stalled negotiations with workers demanding a 40% pay increase and the restoration of a performance bonus. Boeing CEO Kelly Ortberg expressed disappointment over the lack of progress, but emphasized the company's commitment to resolving the strike. Temporary furloughs, with workers taking 1 week off every 4 weeks, signal preparations for a prolonged dispute, which analysts warn could cost Boeing billions. Let me know your thoughts about this. I know United and many other airlines are hoping to get planes, but I think it might be a long time before they ever get that new delivery of fleets they're expecting.